Welcome to the Anna Darpan Sales Module demo. We will be showcasing the release order settlement from a silo depot workflow process. Make sure the commodity allocation and distribution operations are performed before the release order is created. Divisional office staff logs in, selects Create Release Order under the Sales menu. Selects or fills details like commodity group, commodity subtype, variety, depot name, party name, date of release order, valid up to, scheme type, scheme name, allocation period, net quantity, cost per quintal, and any applicable charges. On submission, a release order is created for the selected commodity. The user can view and update the details for the created row in RO List, Pending tab under the Sales menu. The Divisional Manager logs in, navigates to RO List. In the Pending tab, select the created release order from the view, click on the Approve tick icon, and approve it. Upon the truck's arrival, the gate in charge logs in, navigates to the Create Token page under the Sales menu. Selects the release order, enters a valid truck number. Enables the Silo checkbox option to issue the commodity from a silo and click Submit to create a token. The Weighbridge in charge logs in, navigates to the In-Wait page under the Sales menu. Scans or selects the token, and the user views the silo priority list and selects the bin for issue. And captures the empty truck weight and submits the form to generate an in-weight slip. The manager of the depot logs in, navigates to bagging under Sales. Select the token number that requires bagging for the commodity. Enter the number of bags, gunny type, and gunny class for the commodity getting bagged. Click on the Submit button. Now the loading of the commodity into the truck is done by clicking on the Loading option. Enter the number of bags, verify the details, and click on the Submit button. The manager QC logs in, navigates to update moisture for issue under the Sales menu. Selects the token number and verifies the details, records the moisture content by entering the moisture content for the issuing commodity, and clicks Submit. The Weighbridge in charge logs in and navigates to Outweight. Scans or selects the token, captures the loaded truck weight, submits the form, and generates the outweight slip. The Weighbridge in charge navigates to the Generate Truck Chit page, scans or selects the token, and generates the truck chit. The gate in charge logs in, navigates to Exit Gate Pass under the Sales menu, scans or selects the token, and verifies the truck chit and marks the truck exit by submitting the form. The manager of the depot logs in, navigates to Daily Statement of Issue under the Reports menu to view the commodities that are issued from bins, and can generate the report and download the report in various formats. Manager Depot navigates to view bins on the left, navigation to view the storage utilization, and selects the bin to view the bin transaction details. Notice the commodity issues from the bin are captured in the details. The Divisional Manager logs in and navigates to RO Settlement page, selects the release order number, and submits the form to close the release order. This concludes the demonstration process of RO settlement from the silo. Thank you.